Welcome to Crestron Customer Experience Center, Bangalore. Post-COVID, hybrid workplace has become inevitable. Meeting spaces in hybrid work really demands seamless collaboration between in-room participants and remote participants. Employees today should be able to seamlessly collaborate between themselves and with the remote people. Crestron is really known for the automation of meeting spaces. We provide automation like you enter the meeting room, the occupancy sensor senses, the light turns on, and also provides seamless connectivity for wired and wireless presentation for in-room participants. Crestron Flex allows you to do Microsoft Teams meeting from these spaces easily. You could just invite the room into your calendar and pre-schedule a meeting. Once you're up to the meeting room, just hit on the one-touch join and you're on the call in less than 10 seconds. You have all your participants in room as well as remote seamlessly collaborating. The room could also be used as a proximity device, meaning when you have not scheduled the room for a meeting and you want to have a call which is already there in your personal device, you could do a proximity join by seamlessly transferring the call from your personal device to the room. You could also do an ad hoc meeting. While an in-participant meeting happens, you could invite remote participants via ad hoc call. The Microsoft Teams room also allows you to present into these spaces in multiple ways. You could present via wired HDMI and share your content to the remote participants as well. The Crestron Flex has got multiple camera options where you could choose the best camera which can cover the entire participants within these spaces. The Crestron Flex has got multiple bundles for small, medium or large rooms based on the application and based on the usage and the dimension of the room. Crestron Flex can also be easily deployed, managed, monitored and analyzed using the same Crestron Cec Cloud platform. This room is also equipped with other Crestron technology, like the occupancy sensor and the room scheduling can work together and help optimize these spaces. The easy connectivity solutions allow you to easily present into the spaces or into the call using the built-in connectivity. The connectivity solutions also provide smart solutions like a meeting room reset. When the meeting is complete and the room is unoccupied, the cable goes in automatic and the meeting room is reset for the next participants to come in. The occupancy sensor also allows you to analyze the spaces based on the occupancy. The cameras are equipped with people counting technology which can count the number of the people and also have this for your easy management later. We really need intuitive technology which can help utilize these spaces better. Crestron introduces the Air Media 3.0, which is a multi-purpose device. It can do multiple activities that could really make these spaces work or perform better. Modern workplaces are full of agile and collaboration spaces. Crestron Air Media 3.0 provides you with options to wirelessly present into these spaces. You could present from a MacBook, iOS or Android device. From a Windows laptop, you could easily present using the Miracast feature built into it. Hitting Windows K allows you to seamlessly present into this without downloading any software. From an iOS device, you could use built-in AirPlay features which allows you to seamlessly present into these spaces. On Android devices, you could download a free app and present seamlessly. You also have a wired presentation option to display high quality content into the same display. Air Media 3.0 has got built-in calendaring application where you could schedule these spaces. The calendar allows you to integrate with the enterprise calendar and book these spaces. Bookable spaces allow maximum utilization and ensures that people do not misuse these spaces. You could also use this in multiple ways. The employees could use the secure enterprise network to present wirelessly, or guest coming in can use the built-in guest Wi-Fi feature built into it. Air Media 3.0 also allows you to use this as a digital signage when not presenting into these spaces. You could also turn on and turn off these spaces using the occupancy sensor or tie it to a time schedule. The Air Media 3.0 can easily be deployed, managed, monitored and also run analytics using the Crestron Cec Cloud platform. This allows you to deploy multiple devices across your enterprise and seamlessly manage and monitor them. Trainees have a lot of tools for them to present their session. They could plug in their laptop, use an in-room PC, a document camera, or even a normal marker board to share content both to the physical participants inside the class as well as to the remote attendees. The Crestron technology allows to seamlessly switch over from one teaching resource to another using a touchscreen either on the podium or on the wall. Sharing a marker board during a session is as simple as clicking on the share button and select a content camera. The moment you select a content camera, the Microsoft Teams Room AI automatically crops the whiteboard, cleans it, and sends it to the far end. In case if I'm a trainer and walk in front of the whiteboard, I'm visible as a translucent on the far end. This enables the users to seamlessly see through me on the content that is already written on the whiteboard. Video routing traditionally has been on matrix switchers. The video from a source to a display was normally through a matrix switcher. Crestron's AV or IP makes this easy. Crestron NVX supports the highest quality of video, 4K, 444, 60 Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, all on a regular 1 gig network. NVX supports all audio formats from 2-channel audio to multi-channel to Dolby Atmos. NVX has got the enterprise-grade network security, including 802.1x, AES, TLS, FIPS, to ensure the maximum security on the network. NVX is also JITC certified for applications on defense and government as well. Crestron NVX is used in a wide variety of applications, starting from seamlessly transferring video from your cafeteria to across displays across your enterprise for town hall applications. For applications which demand video wall, where you do not invest in a very expensive video wall processor. NVX can support up to an 8x8 format for the video wall applications. Video wall applications demand all the video to be available at the same moment of time. This is possible using the Genlock over IP. The video is available to each and every display on a video wall at the same moment of time. Crestron NVX is available in different form factors and models for applications that demand a 1080p or a 4K. Crestron NVX is highly scalable compared to 10 gig systems. 10 gig systems are not so very scalable and really require expensive infrastructure, whereas NVX works on a regular 1 gig, which allows you to scale the solution from few devices to hundreds of devices across the network. Crestron has got a lot of job references on NVX, wherein we have done prestigious installations across the globe as well as in India. Post-COVID, room scheduling has become a part of all our solutions. Room scheduling allows you to book spaces and also ensure maximum utilization of the same. Crestron's room booking panels can be placed outside the room to clearly indicate the calendar of the day. It shows all the meetings for the day along with the participant and the time slot. Crestron's room scheduling panels can be integrated with the occupancy sensor in the room to allow automatic check-in. The automatic check-in feature allows you to make use of spaces which are not being utilized and released back to the pool. If you book a room and do not turn up within the grace period, the occupancy sensor tells the panel to release the room and ensure that the room is available for the other participants to use. This ensures the maximum utilization of spaces and also not calendars being booked from whole day where spaces are not being utilized. The Crestron room booking panels are available in a variety of sizes and colors. We have 5, 7 and 10-inch panels in black and white colors. Crestron also offers different mounting options to be mounted on glass or on a mullion or on a multi-surface mounting kit. This ensures that the Crestron room booking panels can be going on any surface or any type of installation that is demanded by the architects or interior. The Crestron room scheduling panels are easy to install using a single power-oriented network for powering up or for communications. In places where you do retrofits, the Crestron room scheduling panels can also communicate via the Wi-Fi. The scheduling panels can be integrated into the enterprise calendar either by Exchange, O365, G Suite or other workplace technology applications. Another important feature of the Crestron room scheduling panel is the indicators. The indicators can be either on the side of the panel or at the ceiling. The hallway indicators at the ceiling allows you to have a look of the status of the room from a very long distance. The indicators can also be engraved with the room name so that you can easily find spaces across your workplace. Crestron room scheduling panels can be easily deployed, managed and monitored using the Crestron XIO Cloud platform. This enables you to mass deploy multiple devices across your enterprise and also manage them effectively. Post-COVID, remotely deploy, manage, monitor and analyze technology across enterprise is really required. Crestron's award-winning XIO Cloud platform allows you to achieve all this. Crestron's XIO Cloud platform has won the Best IoT Partner of the Year from Microsoft for the year 2018. Crestron XIO Cloud platform allows you to easily organize your spaces and devices across your enterprise in a tree format. This ensures that you could easily provide the engineers with access based on location and based on what designation they carry. Crestron XIO Cloud allows a single web-based interface for engineers to log in using technology like single sign-on or integration with Azure Active Directory to enter into these spaces and provide remote support as well. The remote support feature of Crestron allows the users to access the panels, Crestron touch panels installed within meeting spaces using a simple web browser and provide remote support. The Crestron XIO Cloud allows you to easily deploy, manage and monitor. The deployment can be done remotely by pre-configuring the devices using the MAC address and serial number. Alerts could be over SMS, email, or could be even tied into your ticketing system like ServiceNow. This allows the administrators to know status as well as get alerts even before the user knows that the device is not usable. This saves a lot of time starting from deployment. Deployment time has been proven that the commissioning time reduces by 90% using XIO Cloud. The commissioning can also be done on the tree structure at node level. For example, you do a time zone setting for all devices in India as plus 530 can be done on the India node, and all devices that are dropped into these folders inherit these properties. By this, you could really save a lot of time configuring hundreds of devices with the same settings again and again. Crestron XIO Cloud also allows you to run analytics. The analytical dashboard provides you which spaces are being used more, which spaces are not, which devices are being utilized more and which devices are not being utilized more. It can also be tied with the API using advanced analytical tools like Power BI for further analysis. The Crestron's REST-based APIs allow you to integrate with third-party services to provide a single dashboard for you to monitor not just Crestron devices but other technology also single dashboard. Apart from monitoring Crestron devices, you could also monitor third-party devices using the Crestron XIO Cloud Connector. This allows you to monitor not just Crestron but also other technology available in the room. The Crestron's XIO Cloud Connector polls for the device status and reports back to the XIO Cloud. By this, you could integrate and also monitor third-party devices using simple ping test, SNMP, or other API integration that are there. Crestron has got a huge database of cloud-connected drivers, which allows you to utilize these cloud-connected drivers to manage, monitor third-party devices as well. The XIO Cloud licensing is pretty simple. It's a room-based license. A license per room allows you to monitor about 50 to 60 devices within the room and ensures that you really save a lot of cost in terms of monitoring centrally. Since XIO Cloud is hosted on the Microsoft Azure cloud, you really do not have any on-premise server to manage, monitor, or to worry about upgrades of these servers. The infrastructure requirement is minimal in terms of XIO Cloud, which ensures that the total cost of ownership is pretty much low. Crestron heavily invests in training and development of our partners and end customers. The Crestron Technical Institute provides a calendar schedule of about 15 certification courses. We teach various technologies starting from digital video to network video to lighting controls, all from this Crestron Technical Institute. The Crestron Technical Institute has well qualified trainers who are providing both online and offline courses to our end customers as well as partners. Even the consultant community gets benefited out of this by training their resources. To know more about our Crestron training courses, log on to www.crestron.com/training.